3:51 p.m. Meet Metairie, Louisiana. Former New Orleans Saints cornerback Delvin Breaux is returning to the CFL's Hamilton Tiger Cats, where he was an All-Star in 2014, a source confirmed to ESPN. Breaux, 28, signed just a one-year deal in hopes of a possible NFL return next year, according to the source. The news of his signing was first reported by 3Down Nation. Breaux was one of the NFL's great stories in 2015, when he became a breakout star for his hometown Saints 10 years after breaking his neck in a high school game. The physical 6'1", 210-pounder played at nearly a Pro Bowl level that year with 3 interceptions and 19 pass defenses while serving as New Orleans' #1 cornerback. However, Breaux's career was derailed by a pair of broken fibulas. One suffered in Week 1 of the 2016 season and another suffered in a slightly different location during the 2017 preseason. He never returned to the Saints lineup last year because of a minor setback during his rehab. Then the Saints decided not to make him an offer as a restricted free agent this year. Breaux reportedly had visits with the New England Patriots and Denver Broncos that didn't result in job offers. Among other possible suitors, his injury history certainly couldn't have helped his case. The New Orleans Advocate reported that some teams didn't clear Breaux medically because of his past spine injury. That high school injury prevented Breaux from playing at LSU. But he worked his way back through semi-pro and arena leagues, and eventually the CFL, where he starred in Hamilton from 2013 to 14. Breaux had 33 tackles for the Tiger Cats in 2014 with 5 pass breakups, 3 forced fumbles and an interception, which he returned 27 yards.